So let me show you how to use the water lock feature on your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic. Now, the water lock feature is basically designed to disable the touchscreen so that the water pressure doesn't give you phantom touches on the touchscreen of your watch. So to enable it, just swipe down to the quick panel and then scroll down and you should see these two droplets right here. So tap on that icon with the two droplets. I missed it, so let me try again. Tap on that, and when you see this blue icon here next to the here at the number 2 side here, that means water lock is enabled. That means also the touchscreen is completely disabled. Okay, you can see nothing is working. That means you can go into water if you want to go swimming and you'll not have droplets making phantom touches on your screen. Now, that's basically how to use it. Now, as you're getting out of the water and you want to disable the water lock feature, you just long press on this button. Your watch will make a sound to try and eject water from your speakers, and then you should be good to go. Now the touchscreen should be working. And that is basically how to use the water lock feature. Basically locks your screen and gives you the option to use that sound to eject water from the sides of your watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.